I do this with my turkey every single year, guys. I rub it with some salt, dry brine it, and then cook it. If it's a whole turkey, the process takes 3 days. I have a video on that. I will attach it for you. And that, you know, you can even start when it's still frozen. It's very good. The formula is 1 teaspoon per 2 pounds of turkey, okay? So now today, we're just going to cook a half a breast. So one turkey breast. And because I want to show you how I'm gonna do this. And, you know, we have a small crowd, so I don't need to make a huge turkey. This is 3.5 pounds, and it'll feed about 6 to 7 people. So it's, you know, still a lot of meat. So I have 1 3/4 teaspoon of salt in here. And I'm gonna add pepper. You can flavor this with whatever you want, guys. So these herbs are optional. It can be just salt if you want. It can even be salt with some zest, like orange zest or lemon zest, whatever your flavor profile is, you can do that. Today we're gonna do a little rosemary, a little thyme, salt and pepper. But that's optional. The only thing you have to have is the salt. I'm just gonna chop up the rosemary. Yeah. Let's call this a teaspoon, okay? I'm going to add some fresh thyme leaves. We'll do 1 sprig. You can use dry herbs, of course, if you want. So now with clean hands, I'm gonna rub this turkey breast on both sides. I promise you guys, I do this all the time. This will not be salty, I promise you. What happens is the salt will draw all the liquid in, and then it'll release it back, and your meat is gonna be super flavorful, okay? Guys, if you haven't subscribed, and you would, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button so you always know when there's new videos, and thank you very much for that. Thanks for your support and for helping me grow. Okay. I am going to loosely cover this with a grocery store bag, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and leave it like this until tomorrow. All right, let's cook our turkey breast. This was in the refrigerator, like I told you, 24 hours. I'm gonna pat dry this breast. And I'm going to put it onto my roasting pan. Now guys, we are going to drape this in bacon. Sure to cover the whole thing, okay? We're going to let this sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes so that it loses its chill, and then we're going to put it in the oven. You want to not skip this step because you want your breast to cook evenly. If you put it in cold, it won't. So don't skip this step, okay? I'm gonna add some chicken stock to the pan now, just a little bit. I wanted to hydrate the breast while it's cooking from the bottom there. Do water if you want. I'm just gonna scatter some garlic also in the bottom here, okay? I'm not even gonna peel them, guys. Guys, this is registering 162 degrees. I'm gonna tent it. It's gonna continue cooking until we're ready to carve it. We're gonna let it rest for about 30 minutes. So let's carve this. We don't want to slice it like this. We want to cut it like this. This is hot, but I want to cut out a piece just so you can see how juicy it is. I want to taste it. Can you see how glistening it is? Oh my gosh, that's because we treated it with the salt. Oh my gosh, look at that. Again, you can see how juicy it is. Wow. It tastes incredibly good, guys. I'm not a big fan of turkey breast because I always feel it tastes kind of like a shoe. You know, dry and stringy. I don't like it. This is amazing. Do make sure to cut it like this and not slice it like this, and that way you won't have those stringy fibers in your meat, guys. This is highly recommended, guys. I think you're going to love it. As I said, if you want to do this with a whole turkey, go ahead. You'll see those instructions there on that link. But look at this. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you, and I'm gonna see you soon.